Hello everybody, it's Sushi Ball here, and today we have another Squinky Dewdrops collection. Let's open him up and see what we have. So it looks like we have 3 mystery villas. And let me just open up the first one here. I wonder what we have. There they are. And 1 dewdrop. Let me open up the next one here. And it's a different house. It's a purple one. Oh, it's a gorilla. I don't think I have one of those yet. And it's a hat with a flower on it. And this guy has a lot of hair. And I'll find out the names and tell you guys about it. And the final house is cupcake frosting roof. Just like a cupcake house. Oh, snowman. I have one of those. Oh, a seahorse. And one of the hats. So we had a bunch of rare ones this time. We have Gogorilla and Patty Prickles, Granny Dew, Homer Dew, Trumpetini, and Melty Marsha, and Waddleton. This is Belinda Shell and Top Dew. These 3 are common and the rest are rare. So we have those Squinky Dewdrops. But we have this big one, Squinkyville Airplane. I'm excited about this one. Let us open it up. So inside we have playset exclusive Squinkies, Trudy Stripes, and Olive 8. We also have a playset exclusive Captain Dew. And we'll let Trudy Stripes be the captain of the airplane. We also have this little tea set, or tea time. And inside the luggage, there's some blankets and towels. Now, let's see what this is. An airplane. Squinky's Airline. And I want to open this up here. We have steps. That's really nice and convenient to get into the airplane here. Olive 8 is the co-pilot, and Trudy Stripes, the captain. We are now boarding flight 031, Squinky's Air. I think this thing opens up too, yes. Room for passengers too. Let's take Trumpetini. And also, let's take Melty Marsha. Don't forget the luggage. And we're all ready to fly. Landing. Taxi. And that's the Squinky's Air playset.